Hey there. So you're in the market for a new practice management tool, but there's so many options out there. You really want some advice on how to get it right. I'm Alan Rodriguez. I'm the founder of Law Innovation Agency 1400. I've been helping law firms and legal tech companies grow for over 20 years. So before you make an investment in any legal technology tool for your firm, you really need to know how you intend to use it. So here's the story I like to tell and share with people before they consider any legal tech purchase. So imagine you're going to remodel your bathroom and you don't have a design for it. You just said, "Hey, I've got some budget. I'm going to remodel my bathroom." So you call a contractor, they come in, they take a look at the bathroom, they take some measurements, and they're like, "It would look great here, X type of tile." Or I would recommend this type of paint. Or I would do Plex plumbing instead of copper. And then you call another contractor, and then they say a bunch of other stuff. They're like, "Oh, you don't want that tile. It's terrible. The mildew will grow old." And you call another contractor, and before you know it, you have three bids, three different prices, three different plans, and you're no closer to remodeling the bathroom in the way that you want it to work. Right? So, what you would do in that case is you would hire a designer or an architect or a design build firm, and you'd get a set of plans and you'd collaborate with them to kind of figure out this is exactly the bathroom that I want. Once you have the plans, you call three contractors in on a Saturday morning. You let them take the measurements they want. You ask them to show you their insurance, their testimonials, and then you ask them for a bid on your specific plans. Now you have an apples to apples comparison that you can use to really kind of shop those contractors and compare them. The same thing applies to legal tech. So you really have to know how you intend to use it. You have to design your process. How are you going to move work from an entry point to an exit point, right? Basically from prospect to final deliverable. Once you map that out, you can just use pen and paper or Google Draw or any kind of tool that tells you how you intend to use the tool. And then you can go to these software vendors, all the practice management solutions that are out there, and say, "Hey, this is how we move work from point A to point B at our firm. Show me using this diagram how your software accomplishes that for me." And then it's their burden to sell you on the value of their tool to match your workflow. Without that, what ends up happening is lawyers buy solutions thinking that it's just going to organize everything in their office, and they underutilize the software. I can't tell you how many times I've come in to try to make sure that people are operating at maximum efficiency, only to find that they're using 10% of the software's capabilities, but they're paying for 100% of the value. And that's what's wrong. So before you buy any new legal tech solution, really know how you intend to use it, define your workflow. And then once you've done that very clearly, let the software company sell you on that particular workflow. I hope you found that tip helpful. Give us a follow, and you can always find more at 1400.com. Talk to you soon.